We have 3 demos that demonstrate the superior adhesion strength of NewEraSeal Fortress Kote. For the first demo, we rolled a 2 mm thick coat of Fortress Kote onto a smooth plain silica glass, sufficiently thick to avoid shattering. The glass was cleaned with acetone prior to application. Fortress Kote was allowed to cure for 4 days. We then bonded 4 20 mm pull-off dollies to the coated glass. Each of the dollies were isolated by scribing Fortress Kote with a hole saw around the circumference of the dollies. One dolly pulled off at 2,880 pounds per square inch, and the other 3 held with no failures to 3,000 pounds per square inch, the capacity of the machine. For another adhesion demonstration on concrete, we applied a 4 mm single coat of Fortress Kote. It was cured for 36 hours on a well-cured concrete slab approximately 9,000 pounds per square inch, which is about 3 times the strength of common floor slabs. 4 2-inch diameter steel discs were bonded with epoxy to the coated concrete, and after curing were pulled to failure, and in every instance, the concrete failed rather than the Fortress Kote failing. To demonstrate adhesion on steel coated with Fortress Kote, a 1/8-inch thick steel plate was sandblasted clean and received a single 5 mm thick coat of Fortress Kote and was allowed to cure for 48 hours. We then bonded 4 20 mm pull-off dollies to the coated steel plate. As with the glass demonstration, each of the 4 dollies were isolated by scribing Fortress Kote with a hole saw around the circumference of the dollies. There was one failure just at 3,000 pounds per square inch, and the other 3 held with no failures to 3,000 pounds per square inch, the capacity of the machine. The average adhesion of these 4 dollies exceeded 3,000 pounds per square inch.